In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use FuturePay Wallet online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is download the app either through the Play Store if you are using an Android device or through the App Store if you are using an iOS device. As you can see over here, you can find FuturePay and download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. As you can see, you will be able to register using your phone number, and once you log in using your account, you can add balance to choose shops registered inside of FuturePay. You will be able to add items to your shopping cart and then pay with them using the money added on your wallet. As you can see over here, as long as you have balance added on your FuturePay account, you can choose which stores you want to use that balance on. So after you download the app, open it up, and when you first run it, you will be prompted to enter your number to log in or register. So simply include your phone number, and afterwards you will be able to access the app and add money to your balance to start shopping. I hope I was able to help you on how to use FuturePay Wallet money online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.